Have you made your Canva brand kit? So in this quick Canva brand kit tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step. I'm going to share my screen, bring you along for the ride. So the Canva brand kit is not a new tool, but it's not one that everyone's utilizing. So I'm going to walk you through the process. I'm going to build a brand kit with you. So this is Canva's homepage. This is the way that it looks as of today, August 16th, 2022. Obviously, they change all the time. So if anything's different, it should still be the basics, should still be there. I do have a pro account, and this is a pro account feature. If you would like to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, I will share a link in the bio. It is an affiliate link. It helps me to keep providing this great content for you. So definitely click on that and try it out. So when I'm here, you will see that over here on the left, they have all their different things, including tools. And under tools is brand. So we're going to click on that brand. You'll see that I already have a few here. And so we're going to start with creating, oops, no, we're going to add new, click this button to add a new brand kit. So we're going to name it Celebrate with Gilbert. We've named it, and then they've got all the cool things. So they've got your brand kit, your brand templates, your brand controls. The templates are fairly new, so they're kind of promoting those, if you will. It's important to start with your brand kit, putting that together first. So it's super simple, but once you have this in place, it makes your life so much easier. So first we're going to go in and we're going to add a brand logo. Here's the logo that I made for my project. Is this a logo I love? No, this is just a quick logo I made just for this demo. At some point I will have a better logo. So now that we've got our logo there, next is to add the colors. So one thing I did notice is that the colors on the logo, I tried adding those and it changed them a little. I did notice that the colors that were in the logo that it pulled off, the blue was a little different. So double check your colors to make sure that they are the ones that you actually want. And let's see, I've got my list of actual colors right off to the side, just on a digital sticky note. So yeah, so I'm seeing that the blue that I used is different than what associated to it. So I'm just going to correct that, and I'm going to make sure that the orange color is the same. That one came out correct. And then I'm just going to keep pulling out. So I did have a light blue associated, but it wasn't that light blue. So let me copy this one in here. So we're going to switch that out for medium blue. So this, I'll just get the color palette that I have created. I like to have a good variety because it is very helpful when I'm doing different projects to have a number of colors. So I have 6 colors here for this project. It's good to have like at least 2 or 3, but I like to have a little bit more. So there's my color palette, and not real thrilled with the name of it. So I'm just going to call this Gilbert. So that is my colors. And then the last thing that we're going to do here is add our fonts. So the fonts that I have chosen for this, for the heading font, is this Raejean. I don't know if that's how you say it. That's the font that I've chosen for my heading. And for my subheading, I'm using Open Sans, and I haven't really chosen a specific one. So I don't know, let's do something like serif, just to have something with a serif. So that's my brand kit. This is super easy. I use it daily when or pretty much every time I'm creating content, I use my branding kit. And I can show you that again at the end. Be sure to go ahead and follow this channel for more tips. I have other Canva training videos along with other business and social media videos. So please follow along and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. The next thing that we're going to show is the templates. So right now they're featuring it here, so you can just click that Get Started button. You can also click on this tab here, and it has a lot of these, so it pretty much makes brand templates for your project. And so this one, it just uploaded. We can play around a little more since it just auto-generated it. So it has the brand name. You can also add your websites, and then you would continue. So this is very similar to the training that I did on the quick create collection template. So it's doing the same type of thing where it's adding everything at once. It already added my logo in there since it just pulled everything from the brand kit. It has its original palette, but it's already using the palette that I just put in there. If I wanted to change the order of the colors, it's really focusing on that peach and blue, which is from my logo, so that works really well. But if I wanted to have it pull out other colors, I can just hit this shuffle button and it will go through and make a variety and just pull out a variety of colors. So I can just do that until it gets to something that I like, and I'll just hang out here with this blue and I'll continue. And then it's got my fonts, so I can shuffle the fonts. I don't know why I'd want to do that since I already told it this is the headline and this is the subheadline, but you can alter things. And then the last thing is you choose your template style. So this is a simple style. It added this photo in there for me, which is fine. We can go back and change it after we have the basics. We can switch to playful, which if you don't have photos that you want associated with your stuff, this can be kind of cool. It's not really the vibe I want for this brand, so I'm gonna pass on that one. There's minimal. Let's see what comes up here. So another one, I like this better than the simple, actually. It's really great for product-based brand. So if you can interchange your own products here. I think this is a really good one. This project is not a product-based one, so I'm not sure if I'll do that. Then modern is, yeah, I don't know. It doesn't, again, definitely doesn't fit the brand. So I really like the simple or the minimal. We'll just go with the minimal and continue. And now it's going to update it. It's going to save all of these templates. And it's kind of cool because it does do different things. It gives you a business card. It gives you a poster. It gives you all different kinds of things. So now I can go in, and I think this will just show me all the templates. Okay, so it just put them all here. So if I go back and now I look at these brand templates, if you want to make an invitation for your business, that gives you a basic template. So if you are doing an open house or something and you want to use this template, you can click on this template and you can change out your photos. You can change out, this one's obviously for like a hiring thing, and you can change out all the different things. So if we're doing an open house, you could do an open house, and then you can just save your details. Everything's from your brand kit. Again, if I want to change this color, this background color, I'm like, oh, it's kind of not exactly the color that I want. I'll switch over to this brand kit and I could change it to the dark blue. Doesn't work really well because my font disappears, but I could focus more on the blues that way, or I could make it a peach. So I can change, and everything's right here. If I want to play with my fonts, it's going to have my brand fonts right here. So if I am using a different template and I forget, or I just want to quickly, I don't want to have to go search it, it's all right here. So everything I need, my colors, my fonts, my logos, if I have multiple logos, those would all be right here as well. So that is the easy way to use the brand kit. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this brand kit. Is that something that's super useful? Do you use it all the time? Have you set yours up? I mean, it's really easy to set up. I just hope share your thoughts with me in the comments. And then the last part is the brand controls. Again, super useful if you do have a team working. You can limit your team to only using your brand's colors, only using your brand's fonts. So that can be super helpful to help a team stay on brand and not vary. The design approval. So again, it keeps anything from getting published before it's been approved. So it just gives you some controls, helps you to keep everything on brand if you are working with a team. Those quick create templates, they work really well with the same concept. I'll share a link with that training as well. Click those links below. Keep watching. Thank you so much for your time today, and I will be talking to you guys soon.